Evolution and technology has brought amazing changes to our lives. An interesting example is the centrifuge. Sitting on the same physics principle of centrifugal force, it evolved from a simple bucket swing to an intricate piece of high-tech equipment. One company that is capable of creating such state-of-the-art products is Andreas Hettich. Since 1904, Hettich has been the global market leader in manufacturing and providing the widest range of centrifuges in the world. In 1976, Rotomagna, the first microprocessor-controlled centrifuge, was introduced to the market. As the company grows, it continues to expand its product line to offer other exciting laboratory products catering to the science and medical applications. With over 200 patents, Hettich's proven track record is evident of its outstanding performance. Hettich is also proud to be part of the Human Research Facility 2 in the Destiny Laboratory, the world's only materials and life science laboratory orbiting around the Earth. Hettich offers a wide range of centrifuges for various applications such as clinical, research, industrial, veterinary medicine, food technology, and many more. All centrifuges are made in compliance with EU medical device and IVD standards, as well as internationals like MDSAP. We are proud to introduce our blood transfusion solutions such as the blood bank centrifuge, automatic cell washing systems, with numerous accessories which enhances customers' experiences in using our products. We have also successfully integrated in most of today's laboratory automation systems and are recognized globally as worldwide market leader for the quality, precision, and safety of our units, designed for reliable performance in high-use automation settings. 2009, in line with Hettich's move to expand beyond centrifuge products, Hettich introduced normal and cooled incubators. Our incubators are energy efficient and come in models with different specifications catering to your specific needs. We have also included liquid handling products such as single and multi-channel pipettes, pipette controller, and disposable pipette tips to our growing portfolio. All Hettich products are manufactured with extreme care and responsibility. Our 5-point quality inspection, consisting of an order qualification, a visual inspection, a functionality test, a parts and accessories check, and a packaging check, ensures that all units are delivered safely, accurately, and efficiently. As a mark of a quality manufacturer, we have been certified ISO 13485, ISO 14001, ISO 9001, EC Certificate of Conformity, Top 100 Most Innovative Companies in Germany, and GDP MDS certified by Singapore office. In 2017, under Hettich's new management, Hettich Lab Technology was renamed Hettich. Being the market leader, Hettich not only consistently seeks innovative solutions to our customers' needs, we respond quickly, effectively, and individually. With 5 global offices and selected partners in over 70 countries worldwide, Hettich maintains a global sales and service infrastructure. At Hettich, every day it's the beginning of a new future.